Case uses of finishing powders, water treatment, disinfection. It is widely used to disinfect water, killing bacteria and microorganisms, to make water potable and treat water in swimming pools. Textile and paper industry used as bleaching agent to whiten cotton, line and clothes in the laundry, as well as to bleach wood five in the paper industry. Sanitization and disinfection effort to sanitize surface, walls and bathrooms, fixtures, removing mold and mildew. Oxidization agent. Due to its high chlorine content, it acts as a strong oxidization agent in various chemicals industries.